We're like, she don't have curly hair. Her hair looks straight. Mind your business. Show you guys how I do my curly hair routine. First things first, I'm gonna go wash my hair. So I'll be right back. And I'm back. I washed my hair with Not Your Mother's, I think, green tea shampoo, and it has a bunch of other stuff. It smells so good. And then I also used Carol's Daughter Goddess Milk. It smells like Skittles. It smells so good, leaves your hair so soft. I'm using microfiber, little turpentine. You know the back. Oh, I look buff. I did this because I didn't want my hair to get like super dry from using a towel. So I want to put moisture because I'm gonna go in with my Ouidad Whipped Curls leave-in. I got this from my hair lady. So first things first, take my diamond brush that we have a hella hair in there. Ends down, ends down. Literally, this is probably, oh, caught it. You only need like a nickel size, I want to say. This part I do separate. So one hand on this and I rake it through. I'm gonna use the other hand on this side and I just rake it. I noticed when I use like just a gel alone, my hair gets really dry by day 2. So I got this Carol's Daughter hair milk. Curls, coils, kinks, and waves. This is the first time I'm using this, so it smells alright. It smells cool. It's like a whipped texture. Like if you can, I don't know if you can see that. Like it don't even look like a butter. It looked like, not whipped cream, but what's that stuff you freeze? But it's whipped cream.
Yeah, Cool Whip, Cool Whip, Cool Whip, Cool Whip, Cool Whip.
And I'm gonna just do the raking motion. So I go like that just because I'm gonna brush it out with my denim brush, just so it can separate the curls since I bunched them all up. But that's what a denim brush does for curly hair. It separates the curls. Like this is probably the best brush for curly hair, especially because the bristles don't have them little beads on them, so they're not pulling at your hair. Alrighty. After the milk, that's when I use a gel. So I'm gonna use Camille Rose Curl Maker, and you just rake it in. Probably like, she don't have curly hair. Her hair looks straight. Mind your business. Alright. Don't do me. Don't do it. You're about to embarrass yourself. Okay? Brush through just to separate the curls. This is kind of when I start making a little part. Because I do what I want and I want what I do. Alright. So after that, the rake and shake method. So basically you shake out the clumped curls so they can separate. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scratch. You gotta do it from every angle. I set the mold with my diffuser so that after the mold is set, it air dries in the cast. If you're a curly girl, you need this. So this is what I consider your set mold. So you're gonna let that air dry until you get a nice like crispy type of texture, and then after that we're gonna crunch it out and then diffuse some more. Now that my hair is probably like 75%, 8 to 85% dry, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in there and kind of crunch out all these curls while diffusing it. Okay. And if I want a little bit more volume, I usually tease it. I have a pick, and I'll tease it with a pick, but it's kind of big right now. I like to hairspray it for a little bit extra hold so that it will last a few more days. And that's how I do my curly hair. Hopefully you guys like this video. I did try some new products for this video, and they're all for curly hair girls, non-straight hair. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, and I'll see you guys next Sunday.